Welcome to the NTE 35W to Express lanes. This video will show you how to enter the NTE 35W to Express lanes while traveling southbound on I-35W at Heritage Trace Parkway. After passing under Heritage Trace Parkway, move over to the left lane when it's safe to do so. You will see a white pricing sign with several toll rates. The first line shows the HOV2 Plus rate for carpool drivers with passengers or motorcyclists who have activated their 50% weekday rush hour discounts through the free Drive On to Express app. The second line shows the pricing for vehicles with valid toll tags. If you don't have a toll tag, rates will be higher. For more info on regional HOV policies, visit nctcog.org. After passing under the pricing sign, the entrance to the NTE 35W to Express lanes will be on the left after passing under North Tarrant Parkway. Enjoy your trip, and we'll see you next time.